Hi everyone. In this video, I will discuss the major differences between arbitration and mediation. However, before discussing the difference, let's understand first the meaning of arbitration and mediation. Arbitration is one of the modes of alternative dispute resolution, in short ADR, to resolve civil disputes outside the court. Arbitration is normally used for the commercial disputes, especially in the context of international commercial transactions. The person who arbitrates is known as arbitrator. Like arbitration, mediation is also one of the modes of alternative dispute resolution, ADR, to resolve civil disputes outside the court. Usually, under the mediation process, a neutral third party, who is usually an expert of law or other such experienced person, called as mediator, resolves the dispute arises between two parties. The types of disputes that can be mediated are commercial, contract, diplomatic, workplace, community, property, and family and matrimonial matters. Many people believe that since the dispute is resolved by an arbitrator or arbitrators in the case of arbitration or by a mediator or mediators in the case of mediation, and not by the judge or court, hence, it has lesser value, but it is completely wrong. An arbitration award or mediator settlement, if accepted and duly signed by both the parties, is as valid as the judgment of the court and hence, legally binding on both sides and enforceable by the law of the land. The similarity between arbitration and mediation is, both can resolve the disputes which are civil in nature. Both are modes of dispute settlement out of court. In both the cases, parties have freedom to choose arbitrators or mediators, whichever the case is. In both the cases, parties have the freedom to choose the venue and date depending upon their convenience. However, the differences between both the terms are based on nature. Arbitration is formal and it follows almost same procedures as in litigation, but out of court. Mediation is informal, based on elements required to resolve the dispute. Arbitration needs facts and evidence. Mediation does not require any such evidence. Based on expenses. Arbitration is expensive. Mediation is less expensive based on modus operandi. Arbitration is exercised very similar like litigation. Besides, its proceeding has to be performed officially by following proper steps of arbitration, including filing application, facts, evidence, witness, or any such relevant documents. On the other hand, mediation is entirely friendly and there is as such no defined process. It can be done in any friendly manner as per the convenience of the parties. Based on time taken to resolve the dispute. Arbitration is time-taking. Mediation is less time-taking. Based on consequences, after effect. Arbitration gives decision under which one party wins and another loses, and hence, after arbitration, the relationship among parties may be strained. On the other hand, in mediation, the dispute is resolved or settled, so, it is win-win situation for the parties, with little compromise. Therefore, after mediation, the relationship among the parties may be friendly or neutral. Based on the regulating power. Arbitrators are the authority, very similar to judge and hence, like judge, he or she also gives decision based on the given facts, evidence, and circumstance. On the other hand, mediators assist parties to make their own decisions, which should be beneficial for both the parties. Based on relationship. In arbitration, parties have hardly any personal relationship as well as private communication with arbitrator is prohibited. On the other hand, in mediation, there is as such no restriction. Based on nature of result. In arbitration, result is win or loss, one party wins and other loses. In mediation, it is win-win situation, so, result is mutually beneficial. So, this is all about the major differences between arbitration and mediation. However, if you have still any confusion, you may ask through the comment box given below. And yes, if you did not subscribe our channel by the time, please subscribe it to watch more such informative videos. Bye bye, see you in next video.